Listen to my story about a man named Jed. A poor mountaineer barely kept his family fed. And then one day he was shooting at some food, and up through the ground come a bubbling crude oil, that is, black gold.
The others are exploring the rest of the market. I want to show you how unnecessary it is to plant a garden. Look, could you grow a watermelon like that?
That's a watermelon?
Yes.
Back home, that'd be a cucumber.
Serious.
But I must admit, that's the biggest cockleburr I ever did see.
Granny.
I sure hate to comb a mess of them out of a mule's tail.
Granny, this is a pineapple all the way from Hawaii. In fact, there are fruits and vegetables here from all over the world. Come on. Ah. Do you know what this is?
It looks like a hairy hickory nut. It's looking back at me.
This is a coconut from the Philippine Islands. And over here are bananas from Central America. And here are nuts from South America.
Well, that's one thing they don't have to bring to California. Nuts.
Granny, you just won't take me seriously, will you?
Well, everything's so mixed up out here. It's got me discombobulated. Now, everybody knows that you plant turnips on July the 25th. But out here, you can't tell the difference between July and October.
Well, why bother to plant them all when the best in the world are here at your fingertips? Look at these turnips.
Well, now you got me beat. I once growed a double turnip, but I never pulled four out of one hole.
First thing you know, old Jed's a millionaire. The kinfolk said, Jed, move away from there.